Hey, what's up guys? 1 year YugaTech. Hey guys, 1 year YugaTech. And last time, we talked about the smartphones under 15K to 16K. But today, let's take it a step down further. And let's talk about the top smartphones under 10,000 pesos. Let's start? Okay, let's start. So, the first one is the Motorola Moto E5 Plus, which I have here, by the way. Here. So, personally, I reviewed this phone, and the main feature that I liked is its water repellent coating. If you can see, this glossy substance here is basically a water repellent, which is good if you're going for traveling or such. It has a 6-inch display with a Snapdragon 430 processor, a 3GB RAM, and 32 gigs of storage. For the battery, it has a 5,000 milliamps of capacity, which is good, especially when you're trying to watch or stream videos. And it is priced at 9,999 pesos. So next up on this list is the Vivo Y91. It has a 6.22-inch display, 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, and 4,030 milliamps battery. What I find appealing in this phone is its gradient path, which was the trend back in 2018. So it is priced at 9,990 pesos. Okay, the next one is one of the most popular smartphones under 10K. It is the Oppo A3s. So, the Oppo A3s has actually two variants. One with a 3GB and 32 gigs of storage, and the other one is 2GB and 16 gigs of storage. So, the Oppo A3s is priced at 9,990 pesos for the 3GB and 6,990 pesos for the 2GB of RAM. So, the main appeal of the Oppo A3s is its Snapdragon 450 processor and 4,230 milliamps of battery. Actually, based on our review, the Oppo A3s actually lasted for more than 20 hours of video loop playback time, which is very good. So next up on the list is the Honor 9 Lite, or Honor Youth Edition. So Honor has been around just recently, and they're making a big noise about their smartphones being very affordable. So the Honor 9 Lite comes with a Kirin 659 processor, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and 3,000 milliamps of battery. It is priced at 9,990 pesos. So next in the list is one of the most popular smartphones in this price range, which is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. For this list, we will include the 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage variant. Its main appeal is its Snapdragon 636 processor, which is very good for gaming in this price range. And we have the 4,000 milliamps of battery with fast charging. So if you are planning to get a smartphone under 10K, I personally recommend you to get the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Okay, so next is another Xiaomi phone, which is the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. So the Mi A2 Lite has a slightly lower performance than with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, but its main appeal is its stock Android experience, which is actually preferable by some of the users and our readers. So it comes with a Snapdragon 625 processor, 3 gigs or 4 gigs RAM, 32 gig or 64 gigs of storage. So the 3 gig RAM variant is priced at 9,490 pesos. So if you'd ask me, you can go with the Redmi Note 5 for the performance, or with a Mi A2 Lite for the stock Android experience. Okay, next in this list is another Xiaomi smartphone, but this time it's the Redmi 5 Plus. So the Redmi 5 Plus came out earlier in 2018. Comes with a Snapdragon 625 processor, 3 gigs or 4 gigs of RAM, 32 or 64 gigs of storage, and 4,000 milliamps battery. I would consider this as one of the most large smartphones in this price range due to its 6-inch display. But you know, today it's all about above 6-inch displays, right? It's all about bigger displays, you know. So we're done with Xiaomi smartphones for now. Let's move on to the Asus smartphones. So one of the most popular smartphones last year was the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So this phone this very phone actually rivals that of the Redmi Note 5. So I actually made a lot of comparisons with it before, which will be linked in the description down below. So this one also comes with a Snapdragon 636 processor, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and 5000 milliamps of battery. As for the cameras, it has a 13MP plus and 5MP dual rear cameras, and an 8-megapixel front camera. So as compared with the Redmi Note 5, its UI is a pure Android based on Android Oreo, as compared with the Redmi Note 5 that has a MIUI version. So pure Android is actually almost stock Android, but not that stock. So the Zenfone Max Pro M1 is now priced at 8,995 pesos. Next on this list is the Huawei Y92 Lite. So it comes with a Snapdragon 430 processor, not that much power, but it also comes with a 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and a 3000 milliamp battery. Next is the Xiaomi Redmi 6. You thought we're done with Xiaomi phones, huh? We have the Xiaomi Redmi 6. So it comes with a Helio P20 processor, 3GB or 4GB of RAM, 32GB or 64GB of storage, and 3000 milliamps battery. The 3GB RAM variant is priced at 6,990 pesos. For the 4GB RAM variant, it is priced at 8,190 pesos, which is quite affordable as well. So last but not the least, we have the Xiaomi Redmi S2. So the Xiaomi Redmi S2 comes with a Snapdragon 625 processor, 3GB or 4GB of RAM, 32 or 64GB of storage, and a 3080 milliamps battery. If you've noticed, this smartphone is quite similar with the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X. Its main difference is that the Redmi S2 only comes with an HD Plus display, but it makes up with its 16MP front camera. So the 3GB variant is priced at 7,590 pesos, while the 4GB is priced at 8,990 pesos. Okay, so that's it for this list. Next, I'll be stating my top picks in this price segment. So there are currently two phones that I like. One is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, and the other is the Redmi Note 5. They are actually my top contenders in this list, mainly for its performance. I know you guys have heard of the Redmi Note 7, but let's put it aside for now because it's not yet available in the Philippines. So there you have it. That's the top smartphones under 10K for the late and early 2018. I hope this helped you pick the right smartphone for your budget. And as always, if you like this video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and hit that notification bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to visit our website, YugaTech.com, for the latest tech news and reviews. And once again, this has been Von, and I'll see you in the next one, if ever I see you, because Joey will decide if I get to be in the next video. Bye, nerds!